everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect the Sectors app into your AI through the MCP server. So the first step, we will start by signing into our Sectors app account by clicking in here. And there are two options to log in. You can use your GitHub account or maybe your Google account, but for now, I'm going to use my Google account. Okay, so this is the initial view after you sign into your account. And if you want to get your Sectors API, you can click in Automation, Sectors API. And if you want to get your API key, you can click API Key Management. And if you still don't have any API key before, you can click Create Key button in here. And after that, it will show you your API. And for the next step, I'm going to show you how to use this API key to connect the Sectors app into your AI through the MCP server. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to connect the Sectors MCP server into the Claude desktop. So the first thing, we need to make sure that we have downloaded the Claude desktop before, and after that, we can try to find a config file. If you're using Windows, you can find your config file in here, but if you're using macOS, you can try to find a config file in here. But sometimes if you cannot find this config file, you can just open your Claude desktop and click in here, click settings, and click developer, click this edit config. So it will directly show you Claude desktop config file location. Okay, so you can just open in here, and this is the config file, config JSON file. Okay, and after that, you can try to copy this code and paste in here. But don't forget, you need to change your API key using your Sectors API. So you need to have an Sectors insider plan so that you can get an access to their API key. Like in here, I have a 3 API key in here, but if you still not have any API key, just click create key in here. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste in here, and don't forget to save. Okay, and you can close, and after that you can close in here, then you can open again the Claude desktop. But you need to make sure that you can only use this MCP server in Claude code, okay, not in the code or maybe in chat. So maybe you can ask like any question that you want to ask to Claude Code. Okay, just for example, if you want to ask like give me an overview of Bank Central Asia atau BBC. Okay, so it means that they try to access the Sectors API. Okay, so this is the result. They give us the very detail of the BBC overview, and that's really very detailed in here. And the Claude Code got the data from the Sectors API. So this is the one of the example that you can get from if you are trying to integrate the Sectors API. Okay, so maybe you in the next you can ask any questions, and the Sectors API will try to give the best result of it. In here, I'm gonna show you how to connect Sectors MCP server into VSCode Copilot. So the first thing, we need to find MCP JSON file in .VSCode folder, and you need to find MCP JSON. But sometimes this MCP JSON is not located in .VSCode folder, so you need to find by yourself. And for me, it is located in user stingpad if data roaming code user and then MCP JSON, and I can click it. So this is empty because I don't have any MCP server. And to connect Sectors MCP server, I need to copy it and paste in here, and click save. Okay. Then after that, after you save it, you can open this. You can click Ctrl C, Shift, and I. And if you want to use this Sectors MCP, you need to use the AI models that support MCP. You don't need to choose Rapture Mini model because it is not like supporting MCP. So maybe you can use Claude Haiku like me. And you can ask any questions. I'll give you an example. Maybe you can copy this equation. Okay, so this is the answers. Like it shows that the Copilot can access the Sectors MCP tools. So all of this answer is based on Sectors MCP server. So actually, I've been fill the API key before. So sometimes if you not fill your API key before, it will show the columns for you to fill your Sectors API key.